Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be making sprinkle cookies. So if you want to see how we're going to get those cookies made and see if they taste good, then please keep watching. And if you like this makeup that I have on, you can check out my blue and gold eyeshadow look that I just posted before this one. And I know it's a little bit of a different setting today than my usual cooking videos, but I just thought we would switch it up a little bit and see how we like this. If it doesn't turn out good, I'll just go back to the kitchen, but yeah, please keep watching. So the first ingredient that you want to add is all-purpose flour, and you want to take 1.5 cups and add it into your bowl. So you're just going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour in here. And the next ingredient that you're going to add also in here is baking powder and salt. So you want to take a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just like that. And you want to take 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So it just looks like this, guys, and it obviously all looks the same because it's all white. But now what you want to do once it's all together in the bowl is just blend it all together, like with a whisk or a fork, just to mix it all together nice. So the next step that you want to do is in a separate bowl, more of like a large bowl, you want to take a 1/2 cup of butter, which is just unsalted butter, which is just 1 stick, just like that. And now what you want to do is mix it together, and once it starts melting and like getting into a liquid consistency, you want to add in the sugar and stuff like that. So as you're beating the butter, you want to slowly add the sugar, which is you want to add 3/4 cups of sugar into the bowl, and once it becomes a fluffy consistency, you're gonna add the vanilla extract, the eggs, and all of that stuff. And I'm just gonna go ahead and beat it off camera really quick, and I'll be back once I have the sugar and the butter done. And now you want to add a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract into that mixture and blend that all together. And once that's blended, you want to add the flour mixture into the wet mixture and mix it all together. So now that you have it all blended, you want to go in with the sprinkles, and you want to add 1/2 cup of sprinkles and then mix it all together. And you want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Okay, so if you see a little red here, it's because I got a bad sunburn. I mean, like, bad. But anyway, so now that the mix is all done, just looks like that, you just want to take a little bit and do circles. And once you've got a circle, you just take a little thing of sprinkles, dip the top in, just like that, oops, and place it on the pan. And you just want to do that until you've done the whole thing. So once you dip it, it just looks like that after. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish it off camera, but it's just looking like this on the pan. But just to save time, I'm not going to do all of them on camera, but once they're all done, I'll come back. So that's one pan, and that's the other. So I did get 26 cookies, but that will vary for everybody because some people will use like the cookie scooper, some people will do bigger balls, smaller balls, and I definitely didn't do every single ball the same. So the amount of cookies you're going to get will vary, but it will range from like 15 to 26. I'm just gonna place these in the oven now. The oven has preheated, and like I said before, you want to preheat it at 350 degrees, and these are gonna bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, and I'll be back once they're done. So the cookies are done, and they just look like this, but anyways, they look so cute and they smell so good. So we're gonna do the taste test. Okay, so they are really, really good. You do taste the almond extract, even though it is just a little bit that you put in, but it really doesn't taste bad. Like, it honestly tastes really good. I would recommend this recipe to just anybody that wants to make sprinkle cookies, or like anybody that doesn't like chocolate chip cookies. There's always this alternative to that. So yeah, I really do recommend these. I think it's a 10 out of 10. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I'll always be back with more baking videos like this.